Hello Maker and 3D scanning nerds. In this video I will show you how to use the Shining3d Rockit scanner to scan one object in one go using 3D scanning frame and global marker registration. Before we start I want to tell you my motivation for using the 3D scanning frame. First, the object can be scanned full 360 degrees from top to bottom in one go. Most 3D scanning users might know how difficult the alignment especially for very flat objects can be. Another benefit of the frame is that no markers on the object is needed. This saves time for adding and removing the markers from the object. Also, the scan surface does not suffer from removal of markers by 3D scanning software. But finally, the main benefit is that no alignment of several scans is needed. By the use of the 3D scanning frame, the whole object can be scanned from top to bottom within only one scanning sequence. The general procedure for all different models of 3D scanner is very similar. First, the global marker scan from the 3D scanning frame needs to be done. Afterwards, the object mounted in the 3D scanning frame can be scanned from top and bottom in one go. Everything in one project without the need for later alignment. Finally, the scan points need to be clean and isolated to the scan object in order to generate the final mesh. First, we need to perform the global marker scan from the 3D scanning frame. We need to scan the frame from the top and the bottom. Now I am rotating the frame to scan the marker at the bottom. Afterwards, the global marker scan needs to be optimized. Next step is to scan the object. For this demo, I was using the 38-line crossed laser mode. After scanning the top side of the object, the frame needs to be carefully rotated to proceed scanning the bottom side. The whole point cloud capturing process from top and bottom side of the object took just about 2 minutes and 15 seconds. After the scanning process, the scan point cloud needs to be optimized. Now the post-processing of the scanned data needs to be done. I will clean the point cloud now from unwanted data. Cleanup done. All changes need to be accepted before proceeding with mesh creation. Final step is to create the mesh from scan point cloud. Meshing completed. The whole process is super fast because time for aligning several scans can be avoided. The global marker scan performance from the rocket is outstanding and very smooth. Video shown was in real time. I hope you got inspired using 3D scanning frame with Shining3d Rockit scanner. Leave a comment below to share your experiences. Happy 3D scanning!